All right, for today's video, we're really gonna do just the part where we find the regression equation. We're gonna kind of talk about interpreting it a little bit more in the class tomorrow, but I want to show you. I just want to remind you how to do this. We've never done it with this formula, but with this type of function, but we've done it with linear equations, and it's basically the same process. The only thing that's different is the regression formula that you use. So let's go ahead and write this down now. It's y1 tilde, or thingy as I like to call it. Let's get this over here. y1 thingy ax squared 1 plus bx1 plus c. So we're using standard form for our regression equation. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to carefully enter these values into your table. Okay. So in this case, we have I've entered the feet per second. I put the big box around what I want you to enter. So I want you to get these entered into your calculator. Take a second and do that now. All right. So once you've got them entered, then we're going to go down and we're going to actually type in our regression equation. So y1 thingy, and you're going to do ax squared and squared, and then you're going to put the one. Hold on, let me see. I think it's ax to the first squared. Yeah, you do ax to the first squared. That's how you get it to actually show up. Then you arrow right plus b x1 plus c. Whoopsie. All right, and there you actually see your function. Now again, if you remember, if you want to, you can always go to zoom fit here, and you can zoom out so that it actually shows you your function. And as we can see for this one, this is basically perfect. I think they used a function to generate this table. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually write down, let's zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to write down what A, B, and C were. So first of all, it gives me a few things. So it gives me r squared. In this case, it says r squared is 1. R squared kind of acts like r, but I am not convinced that we need to know that. I'm just telling you that so that if you need it, you can see it. Okay, let's see, and then they've got A, B, and C. So A, B, C. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and write down everything they've got. 0.22147, and then for B, they've got negative 0. Oh my gosh, how many zeros is that? 0.00735,423, and then for C, they've got 0.355842. Okay, now, are you going to write this all down in your equation? No. Usually we go out to the 100th place. Okay, so remember, if you can't figure out how to do that, you can have the calculator do it for you. So you can say round A 2 places. Okay, so we're going to call that 0.02. And then we can do the same thing for B. We're going to have to go further for that one. So we're just going to call that 0.00007 because we have to do something. All right. And then we'll do the same thing for C. 0.36. And that's negative 0.0007. And this is 0.36. Okay. So now when we write our equation, we're going to write it in the same format as what we had here. So we'll say y equals A, which is 0.02 x squared minus 0.0007 x plus 0.36. And there's our regression equation. Tomorrow in class, we'll talk about what we're actually going to do with that.